Today, we make use of the newly discontinued iPhone XR. We knew it was coming, but Mac rumors confirmed this morning that iOS 19 will not support the iPhone XR. The release of the iPhone 17 ends the era of the iPhone X, XR, and XS, so I wanted to know what I could do with this now legacy device. In this video series, we're going to create a simple level 4 driving assistance to replace my aging Comma 2 in my 2021 Toyota Corolla. Unfortunately, my Toyota doesn't have the 360-degree radar available in the 2025 Toyotas, so using a Comma 6 would be a waste of resources. This simple driving assistance will be able to do simple tasks like going from surface streets to highways and back, estimating depth, keeping track of objects, lane keeping without radar, operating at night and around light control devices, maneuvering around accident-stalled vehicles, and locating or parking on an empty spot through object permanence relative positioning neural networks. This video only covers the setup of your environment, while part 2 will cover the software and part 3 will cover the hardware components to allow your iPhone to control your vehicle. We're going to be going through updating your iPhone to the latest iOS 18 version, installing XCode and logging into iCloud and installing Lobe.ai for object detection. Updating your iPhone XR is easy. Just go over to General, then Software Update, and then download and install. Once your phone restarts, you'll see the iOS is up to date message. Downloading XCode is also not difficult, but you need to add the same iCloud account that is on your phone. This will allow you to run an app on the phone you paid for a whole week without paying Apple $99 per year. You can redeploy the app every week during testing, and for long-term deployment, you will have to pay Apple to deploy your code from your computer to your phone. The very last thing we'll need is Lobe from Lobe.ai. The October 2024 release finally added object detection and data classification, so you can use this on mobile devices to detect vehicles and other common items that you might find on roads like stop signs and traffic lights. That's all we really need for part 2. I'll be putting up the video as soon as I get myself the iPhone 17 because I want to benchmark the single camera iPhone XR versus the iPhone 17's 5 camera array and see if more camera equals better outcome. Especially when looking at that ultra wide 7mm camera, so get subscribed so you get the notification.